You probably use soap every day, washing your hands after a meal, taking a shower, or scrubbing a dirty pan. It's such a normal part of life that we rarely stop to think about what's happening. Most of us just assume that soap somehow kills germs and makes grime disappear. But if you pause and wonder, it's not immediately obvious how a bar of soap or a squirt of liquid actually gets things clean. Why doesn't plain water clean our hands on its own? What is soap made of that lets it remove dirt that water can't? And does soap truly kill the germs, or is it doing something more interesting when we lather up? Today, we'll explore exactly how soap works to remove dirt and germs, step by step, and without any hype, so that by the end, this everyday routine will make perfect sense. I promise a clear explanation of the simple chemistry behind soap's cleaning power. Let's get started. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Water alone is not very good at cleaning oily dirt. If you rinse greasy hands with only water, the grease often stays. This is because oil and water do not mix. Oil tries to stay away from water. Many types of dirt, and even germs, stick to oil on your skin. When water touches that oil, it slides right off. That is why plain water cannot remove dirt very well. This is where soap becomes important. Soap is special because it can connect water and oil. Each tiny soap molecule has two different ends. One end likes water. The other end likes oil and grease. The water-loving end pulls toward water, and the oil-loving end pulls toward dirt and grease. Because of this, soap can grab onto dirt and help water carry it away. When you rub soap on your hands, millions of soap molecules spread across your skin. The oil-loving ends stick into grease, dirt, and germs. The water-loving ends stay connected to the water around them. This allows soap to lift dirt off your skin instead of letting it stay stuck. Scrubbing your hands helps this process by loosening dirt and giving soap more time to work. As you keep rubbing, soap molecules begin to work together. They form tiny round groups called micelles. Inside each micelle, dirt and oil get trapped in the center. The soap molecules surround the dirt so it cannot stick back to your skin. When you rinse with water, these tiny soap bubbles carrying dirt and germs are washed away. That is how soap removes dirt, instead of just moving it around. Now let's talk about germs. Many people think soap kills germs. In most cases, that is not exactly true. Regular soap does not poison germs. Instead, it removes them from your skin. Germs often stick to oily areas on your hands. Soap breaks that connection and lifts the germs into the water so they can be rinsed away. Some germs, especially certain viruses, are made with a fatty outer layer. Soap is very effective against these. When soap touches these viruses, it breaks apart their outer layer. Once that layer is damaged, the virus cannot survive. In these cases, soap does more than remove germs. It actually destroys them. Even when soap does not destroy germs, it still works very well. By loosening dirt and oil, soap makes it easy for germs to be carried away by water. This is why washing hands with soap is one of the best ways to stay healthy. Soap does not need to kill every germ. Removing them is enough to greatly reduce sickness. You may wonder if antibacterial soap is better than regular soap. For everyday use, it is not. Regular soap works just as well when used correctly. The most important things are using soap, scrubbing well, and rinsing with water. The soap itself does most of the work by lifting dirt and germs off your skin. Another important part of hand washing is time. Soap needs time to work. Rubbing your hands for about 20 seconds gives soap enough time to surround dirt and germs. Rinsing too quickly does not allow the soap to finish its job. That is why health experts recommend washing hands slowly and carefully. Soap has been used by humans for thousands of years. Long ago, people discovered that certain mixtures of fat and ash helped clean skin and clothes. They did not understand molecules or germs, but they saw the results. Over time, soap became an important part of daily life. Today, science helps us understand why soap works so well, but the basic idea remains the same. So what is soap really doing? Soap does not magically make dirt disappear. It uses a simple trick. It grabs dirt and germs with one end and grabs water with the other end. This allows water to carry away things it normally could not. Soap turns sticky dirt into something water can remove. Understanding this helps us see why soap is so important. Clean water alone is not enough. Soap makes cleaning possible. Every time you wash your hands, you are using chemistry in a very simple form. Tiny soap molecules are doing quiet work to protect your health. The next time you wash your hands, remember that soap is not fighting dirt. It is lifting it, wrapping it, and washing it away. A small bar of soap may look simple, but it is one of the most powerful tools humans have ever used to stay clean and healthy.